Hello, hi, I'm Rick. On May 5th, 2022. I know I told you guys a while ago I was doing a computer build. Well, I am. It's just work and life have gotten in the way. And how throughout this build that I've started once already and I had problems with this board. Here's my suspicion. I don't know if I'm right, but I don't think this board was new when I got it. Just to me didn't look like it, even though I did that first build live, or not live. Well, actually, yeah, I wasn't live. I was on Zoom. I put it together, and then the next day, another guy I know is a tech. He lives here on my hall, and he came down and had his test tools with him, and he said there's something up with this thing. I don't think it helped that I dropped the head of a screwdriver on it. And you know, that hit. I'll show you on this board what that hit. It bounced off something. I remember that. Hit over here somewhere. Then down here, and then dropped the screwdriver over onto this here, and yeah. I think it having problems and me dropping things on it, I think killed it. It wouldn't do anything. So I went and bought another board, B560 ORS Pro. Got the RAM in it. And yeah, that's about as far as I've gotten, because in about 20 minutes I've got to run. I've got to go be somewhere. I told someone I'd be there, and I will be there about 6:15. So it gives me an hour. I've been out running around today doing different things. Had a bike repair that I did on site. I do the bike repair and computer repair. It's all field work. I don't got the room in this small apartment to do anything. 400 square feet, and get most of it filled up with furniture. It does not leave you much room at all. So I go to where I'm called to. Yeah, I just don't do it here. And like I said in the other videos, the repairs have kind of slowed down. The builds, well, they're kind of non-existent for the moment. People just don't have the money. And I'm trying to eliminate my load. Is how much I'm sorry, I got an itch on my leg, and I'm trying to talk to other computer techs here in town, and here in about a month or two, they're going to take one of my offices, and the other guy, Brian, he's going to go part-time on the other. So I'll have one office of 6 computers to take care of. They can be problematic at times. The people there and the computers, they're newer. I built 4 of them. The other 2 they had, and I think this fall I'll be rebuilding those or building new ones for them. So they'll have 6 new computers that are kind of up to date. Well, will be up to date. So that, and doing stuff for myself and bikes is keeping me busy. In this case, this is going to be a wiring nightmare. Gonna have 9 fans in it, 3 on top, 3 on the side, and it's 6 and 3 on the other side. So that's 9. I'll show you what I mean by 3 on the other side. Put 3 here. So I'm gonna put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think that's how I'm gonna do it. I just need to get a hold of 9 fans. I've got a few. I got a friend that I was talking to on Zoom the other day, and I need to get a hold of him. And whatever he's got, if he's got any 124 pin fans, I think he does, so I'm gonna somehow give him my address and have him send them to me if he'd like to, and kind of get this show on the road. It's kind of been delayed by 2 months, 3 months. Just can't get a break. Even today, I got, like I said, as far as the RAM, I kind of got things mocked up as to how it's gonna go. I was doing this earlier. And kind of piecing things together and seeing where things are gonna go, and kind of just mock things up, and then get the screws, put things together. I think today or maybe tomorrow, I think maybe today I'll put the motherboard in, and then kind of just work on things in the case after I get the CPU cooler on there, which is, I should bring this over here because I do need it now. I need to clean it. Let's see, where am I gonna put it? I guess I'll put it over here. I also need to get that computer over here. That's the 4th gen. I don't know what I'm going to do with that yet, but I'm running out of time. I've got to go. Just kind of an update of what's going to happen. When time allows me. I know Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, it's going to be 10-hour days again. But I like it. I like my work. I like what I do. I couldn't ask for another thing. It makes me happy. I make people happy because there's some people in their offices that have had some pretty sad cases, and I've worked on their computers. May have taken me a couple of days, but when I was done, the manager of that office shook my hand and said, "Thank you very much for what you did. We greatly appreciate it. And by the way, here is your check with a bonus." Wow. Okay, thank you. That's happened several times. I either get it done on time or a little ahead of time, or they're so happy with what they got that, yeah. But anyhow, with that, folks, another video tomorrow. I gotta get this one uploaded because I've got to go and be with my friend or friends and see what we're gonna do tonight. I think I'm just going down to the place down there and having pizza and cheesy bread, I think. I don't know. But anyhow, I'm gonna go. I'll talk to you guys later. Take care, and bye for now.